XOXO. My love is very special. If you want it, you can have it. But don't take me for granted. So much things I.
Hi guys, we are on day 2 of moving day. I keep forgetting my train of thought. I can't walk and talk, obviously. Today I'm gonna be doing a lot of organizing and still like unpacking stuff, especially like my clothes and stuff, putting that on a hanger. Also going grocery shopping today. We're gonna go to 2. Smell like weed on this elevator. It's 3:30. Oh fudge, I forgot her thing. You know, I'm finna go to Chick-fil-A. I'm super tired though. Best believe, bro, when it come to people like taking their time out to tell me congratulations or happy birthday or whatever the case may be, I take my time out to thank every single last one of them. Wow, I need gas.
You know, bruh, black people. No.
Seedless grape, so they're fake. Not gonna lie, it is 1 o'clock in the morning. I am beat, okay? Because I bought some stuff to make spaghetti. Well, I get out the shower and I realized I don't have the ground beef. But I still got stuff to put up. I honestly, not even, bro, not gonna hold y'all, I ain't touched a box. I guess I'm gonna just kind of show y'all what all I did get from the store. Yeah, big bullet.
So it's me from the future. I'm 8 months in the apartment. It's January 12th, 2025. And I just wanted to add in this video that I actually do not like this blender because it only has 2 settings. And I would prefer for my blender to have multiple settings because I just feel like this don't really give me enough options, and that's why it doesn't blend the way that I want it to blend, because it only has high and low. Like what? But I'm not judging. I'm not judging the blender. I'm not judging the company or anything. I'm just saying that I don't really like the blender because it doesn't really do what it needs to do for me. But yeah,
this was only $59, y'all. Some frozen fruit, frozen vegetables. My favorite, Italian style meatballs, because I was going to use that for my spaghetti. And I got some pancakes on the stick and some garlic bread. Not a lot in here. Then this refrigerator, boy, it's definitely not a lot in here. Cheese, turkey, butter, water, juice, spinach, eggs, and turkey bacon. I bought some cereal. So they're down there, and I got them laying down because they're big boxes, so they can't fit on these shelves that are kind of low. They can't even fit on this one. That's the like highest one. Also got some stuff up here. I did get these as well because I got them out because I was about to cook them. All of my food enhancements, they're gonna go right here. Any canned goods I get, I feel like I can put them over here. Okay, yeah, I forgot what I was saying. This is the one that I wanted. Hey y'all, so it's Saturday. The goal for today is to at least get all of my clothes in the closet put up. I'm trying to decide if I want my desk in front of the window or over there. Just realized that I need to put my mirror up so I can see my outfit. Alright y'all, so I decided to stick with an orange outfit today. My Not Prada bag, orange Tupac shirt, black leather pants, and Miami Hurricane dunks. Alright y'all, so it is currently 9:00 p.m. Yeah, so I just got here. I got Chaos a new cage, so I'm about to put that together real quick and then go get him. I'm gonna go pick up my friend Tristan, head over to Hiii's birthday party. Like what? Alright, I got it together. This is what it looks like. Only thing that's wrong with this is the side is ripped, well, the part that I showed y'all, but of course, I don't really have the energy to take it back today or ever. I never really have the energy to return stuff, even if it needs to be returned. yeah, I'm not gonna end this video until I get something done today in this house. I know I had said that I was gonna focus on my room. I'm actually gonna focus on the kitchen because the most stuff is in here. Good morning, babes. So it is 11 a.m. on Monday. I'm thankful for God. I'm thankful to have a relationship with God. I'm thankful to be in this space that God put me in. I'm just happy to proclaim the goodness of God. That's how we feeling today. I had to take him out for a walk, go check my mailbox, and then when I come back in, we're gonna get started on this kitchen. I do have to be at work at 3 o'clock. This is my last week working far away from my house. I have to leave like 45 minutes earlier in order to get to work on time.